I hit the pavement, running amok and I don't stop. I've been living the same day for the past 6 months in a daze, because I'm doing what I love, and I won't leave the stage until you motherfuckers jump. I leave my pride inside oblivion. Don't take yourself so serious. Life is just a game, so you can share all your fears with us. There's peace within this harmony that flows within the core of me, grows up in my mind and falls out of another's apple tree. So have a laugh, or get blasted out to space. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. Still we're in the clue. Activate yourself, the sound slip through your fingers where it lingers up above the clouds in a maze. You lose control, relaxation, our rotation spinning up round your brain. We're all the same on the level, ride the wave within its curve, within its crave, within the breeze lies your fate. So share a glass and get blasted off your face. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. I kiss the breeze and let you rhythm flow. Just kiss the breeze and let your rhythm flow out.